Hey there, this is Catherine, your local real estate expert here in the upstate South Carolina market, along with the rest of my team, Green Arc Properties, Keller Williams Greenville Central. Now, I'm in my home office today finishing up on the treadmill, but it's also February 10th, which is National Home Warranty Day, which is why I'm jumping on today to tell you a little bit about what a home warranty is and how it can save you money as a buyer and help your home sell faster as a seller. So first off, a home warranty is different from homeowners insurance in that a home warranty is going to cover some things in your home like an HVAC, washer, dryer, stove, refrigerator, even your garage door opener, things that just break down over time with regular wear and tear. And I don't know about you, but with all the appliances and gadgets that I rely on in my home today, a home warranty can offer peace of mind in a way that you might not want to miss out on. So, a couple important things. Number one, homes that sell with a home warranty attached in the resale market can sell up to 20% faster than those that don't. It's a great way to stand out if you're a seller because that added protection gives buyers confidence in a competitive market. Sellers, especially if you're competing against new construction, just like so many folks are in the upstate market, it doesn't have to be an uphill battle if you know how to play the game. You could have awesome appliances that are just a couple years old that totally still work and offer buyers a little extra protection at a fraction of the cost of brand new by offering them a home warranty. And buyers, you can actually ask for a home warranty when you're writing your offer if you would like. It's a great way to protect yourself and an easy way to cash in on homes that still have great appliances and systems, but are just maybe a little bit older. Plus, having a home warranty is actually going to save you money in the long run. Homeowners in their first year of home ownership spend up to 50% less than those without a home warranty, according to Consumer Reports. So you're not just covered, you're actually saving. All right, I'm about to get out of here, but if you have any questions about home warranties, if you're buying, selling, investing, or have questions about the upstate area, don't be afraid to reach out to us here at Green Arc Properties. We'd love to talk and help you out any way we can. And I hope you have a great day. Happy National Home Warranty Day.